I'm Chris with Tactical Aviation. I want to talk to you about NASA's Aviation Safety Reporting System. The NASA Aviation Safety Reporting System is a voluntary, confidential, and non-punitive safety reporting system that has been operated by NASA since 1976. ASRS receives reports from pilots, air traffic controllers, cabin crew, dispatchers, and maintenance technicians, and now UAS operators. ASRS welcomes reports from anyone involved in UAS operations. In April of 2021, NASA added a new reporting form tailored specifically for UAS operators. Anyone involved in UAS operations can report whether you are flying recreation or commercially under Part 107 or 135 or for public operations. If multiple people are involved in the same incident, a remote pilot in command or a visual observer, each person should submit their own report. ASRS welcomes reports about close calls, hazards, violations, and safety-related incidents. NASA is interested in hearing about anything that might be considered a precursor to an accident. It is okay to report about human error or mistakes that you've made, even if the result was a rule violation. You can also report about hazards you notice in the environment or equipment failures. Examples include airspace incursions, environmental hazards, equipment issues, hazardous material concerns, human error mistakes, lost link, flyaways, miscommunication, near-mid-air collisions, training and procedural issues, uncontrolled or controlled descents. Your information is kept confidential. NASA will de-identify all reports. First, NASA will remove the ID strip that contains your name and address. This is mailed back to you and is your proof of submission. NASA will also remove or generalize any information in your report, including dates, locations, and the make model of the UAS, and will never share your original report with the FAA or anyone else. When in doubt, fill it out. Contribute to aviation safety. We encourage you to share lessons learned with other UAS operators to prevent accidents and help make the UAS operations safe. The FAA offers protection against civil penalty and certificate action in exchange for your valuable safety information. See FAA Advisory Circular 0046F for a description of these protections. This AC also states that reports filed with NASA may not be used for FAA enforcement purposes. To realize these benefits, you must report within 10 days of the event or upon first becoming aware of the event. For more information or to report electronically, go to asrs.arc.nasa.gov/UAS safety. Thanks for watching. If you like this information and find it useful, be sure to like the video and subscribe. Visit us at tacavpro.com.